Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and this is not a tutorial video. This is me talking about the brand new trimmer and showcasing the Christmastime stuff, which is our beautiful suite coming on the 1st of November. It's absolutely divine. I'm going to show you all of that, and it's just lovely. Shall I show you this bit first? Let me show you this first. So, it's a duo stamp set. And I'm calling it that because this one here is red rubber, this one is photopolymer. Okay, and they are distinctive stamps, so they are super, well this one is, it's super detailed as you can see, really detailed. This one is extremely, it gives the most crisp, clear image, so much so that I was stamping with this yesterday. I'm actually doing my customer thank you cards with this set, and my husband came up, he was wandering through the office and he went, wow, that's a lot of detail. He said, you ain't going to get that off your cheap knockoffs. No, you're not, because it's just amazing. It's red rubber, super detailed. I mean, really detailed. And this one, so these images will fit inside there, but they will also stand alone, and they're photopolymer. So you can see, I've already started stamping in with this one. I don't know how well you're going to see if I can get really close up. It's highly detailed. Yes. Oh, look, there's a bit of hair on there. But if I get as close as I possibly can, you can see all that textured detail. Love it. Oh, come on, focus. I got too close. Follow me down. There we go. Love my new camera. So, and it's an a la carte suite, so you don't have to buy everything. You can choose the bits you want, or obviously you can buy it as a bundle. So there's those two, then there's all the dies that go with it. So these ones go around the various sentiments. This big edge goes around that one, and obviously those bits go into there. And just lovely. We've got the gorgeous paper, and there are 12 sheets. I've got 6 out on show for you because I required 6. Well, actually, I required 18 sheets for my thank yous, and these are 3 designs, and these have all got the gold. You can see it on here by my thumb, and there, and these have got gold detailing around the white roses, and then the other side are these patterns. So just lovely. And this one here goes with the bracelet. Actually, you know what, I'm going to talk about the bracelet in a second. So they are utterly divine, just beautiful. There isn't such a thing as a Christmas rose, because we've all said that. We've all gone, is there a Christmas rose? There is, but it's not a rose. It's a flower that's called a Christmas rose. It's just very festive, and I'm not a poinsettia girl. I'm not a fan of them in my house. I love to gift them. I'm not a fan of having them in my house, and I love roses. So a Christmas rose to me would be roses that I would get at Christmas time, and I am slightly excessive in that I have 4 full-size Christmas trees in my house. One of them, the one in my hallway, is red and does have red roses on it, so I get the whole Christmas rose thing. Okay, so we also have ribbon, and this is shimmer ribbon, so it's not a flat colour. I wouldn't say there's shimmer, as in some that we've had before that have got glittery bits inside. Let's see if this focus will work. It's shiny, there we go. It's shiny as opposed to glittery, if that makes sense. Let me slowly go down and then bring back the gold glitter enamel dots. Now we've got these in lots of different colours, but we haven't got any gold, which is nice to have these. I'm trying to think which colours we've got. Oh, as everything on my shelves falls at me. Typically I can't pull any out, but these are lovely. Very nice. And they are glittery dots. We've got them actually for the Twelve Tidings, haven't we? That's right. So those are part of it. And then finally we have this bracelet. Now that's not to say that Stampin' Up! Is going to start doing jewellery. It's not. That is not the plan. Isn't the box lovely? I have plans. But actually this is a really nice gift. So if you are a paper crafter like me and you like to make things for people but you like to gift them things as well, this, oh, come on focus, is picking up all the stuff in the background. is very on trend. So these styles of bracelet are very on trend, and there's a rose, and then there is our tag as well. But a lovely gift, really nice gift. So you want to make something for somebody, and you want to do all your shopping in one place. There you go. And in a lovely box, and it comes in another box. So yeah, so I'm really excited for that. I've got lots of projects planned. And yeah, and that's going live 1st of November, so very soon. But you can get it now if you join, because demonstrators get to buy stuff early. And we also get to buy the brand new trimmer, which is here, and I'm absolutely thrilled with this. So I held off starting my customer thank yous until this arrived for 2 reasons. One, because I wasn't sure how long my blades would last on my old one, or rather the fact that I'm down to 1 blade, but actually to give it a really good test run. Now, if you haven't seen how many cards I make every single month, it's around 160 that I make as thank you cards every single month. So that is a lot of cutting, slicing, dicing, chopping and everything. So I wanted to give it a really good test run. So here is the trimmer. Let me turn it this way around so you can see. It's the base of this one. It's not wide, it's narrower than our old one, as you can see at the top. So let me go all the way to so it's narrower, but our dimensions go further. So this one goes up to exactly 3 centimetres, and that is 1 1/4 inches. This one goes up to, is that 2 inches? No, not quite 2 inches. So it goes up to 4 centimetres. Over here on our old one, there was this sort of dead ground where it's like, oh, I'm guessing that final set of measurements. Not anymore. This guy is, you have to get hold of it. It goes all the way across. No more guessing. Hurrah! And obviously, as you can see, I've extended this out and it goes to 17 inches, 43 centimetres. That's way more than A3. This one didn't. This one went to 14 inches. So a lot longer here. And obviously that's stuck out. This doesn't. Well, it does, but it's not taking up space. It clips in. We have this here and it holds itself in place, and sometimes, a couple of times I've gone to open it and gone, oh, I've got to give it a wiggle. So it's not popping open. It's inches only on the side, although we're hoping, and they are embossed as well as black, and we're hoping that they're going to bring in metric. What I like about this one, so we have this butt bar. I call these butt bars, so your paper isn't going to go anywhere. We've got metric and imperial, but the metric is closest to the butt bar. Down at the bottom, we have metric and imperial, and it's imperial that's closest to the butt bar. So no matter which is your dominant, you've got a butt bar to work. There we go. Brilliant. The blades, so much better than previously. They're bigger, and you have the knobble on the top. So this is the scoring blade with a dimple. The cutting blade has got an arrow. You can see, as I'm showing you, we've got lines there so that you can still line up your cardstock and what have you. The pop in and out bit, thank you to my team who helped me, because this arrived while I was doing a live broadcast with them. And I was like, oh, I can't change my blades around. There's a little groove just in there. Can you see it under my fingernail? That's where you pop the blades in and out. And I did swap them because they came the other way around. But they are bigger and actually more pleasing to hold, because this one, I have to say, when I've done a lot of cutting and scoring, I actually end up with marks in my fingers like that, where I've done so much going backwards and forwards. Oh, and that reminds me, this bit comes out on the old one, not on the new one. It doesn't come out. It's not moving anywhere. This part is wider than that one, so more space. And here's what I learned. Oh, and then, yeah, we don't have a storage caddy underneath like the old one. To be fair, I didn't ever carry anything underneath it anyway. Anti-slip feet, although I do use mine on here. But when I was cutting my DSP, I was very pleased with how many sheets of paper I could cut through. So I was cutting the Christmastime is Here paper, which I've just shown you, and I was cutting 4 sheets in one go with no issue whatsoever. I'm not going to do that again on this with this paper because that's all I've got left at this stage. But I will do a couple of cuts. So let me get some white cardstock. And it's just lovely, and I'm not measuring it at all. That is a lovely, 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 crisp, sharp cut. No problem. So let's layer this up and have 2. Do you know what? Let's do it this way. There's 1 sheet. There's 2. Wonder if I can do 4. I might go this way with 4. Just because that was getting quite thin. I could do 3. I can't get the 4th one. So 3, see, look, it's very, very good. Yeah, I can't get the 4th one. So 3 sheets of cardstock. Bravo. I've pulled out a paper I don't really like the pattern of, so I can chop it for you. So I'm just going to cut in half. 1. Cut it in half again, so that's 2. Okay, and yep, still nice and crisp edges. I can't even tell which ones are the ones I cut. So we're now going in for 4, and let's see what happens. Yeah, that's not going to let me do 4, so I wonder why. Oh, it's nearly done 4. Shall I try that again? Because I did 4 without any issue whatsoever. I wasn't having to press hard or anything. Yeah, you see, that's gone through 4 without any problem, and that's a nice, oh look, that's a crisp edge on the, that's the bottom one. 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's the bottom one, and they are all crisp. Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing 4 layers if you've only got 4 layers to cut. I had 160 to cut, so I was on a time-saving mission. So have I got 3? Oh, I've got 3 there. There's the 4th one. So I did it for time saving more than anything else. It wasn't because, you know, I was going super lazy. I was just, you know, I've got a lot to cut. So yeah, nice crisp edges. Absolutely thrilled with this. As I said, the blades do pop in and out easily. And I did bring my packet of blades over. Oh, okay. So blades come now in packs of 4. So you get 4. And I did look at them and go, oh, they're going to fall out. They're not. They are... That's not going anywhere. There's a good size blade on it. I'm going to pull this one out for you. Let me get the focus on me. There we go. That is a good blade. A very good blade. It's not going to dull. And I really don't want to touch my finger to it, because actually one of the girls in my team managed to slice her finger because she was doing it slightly wrong. But... oh yeah, those are not coming out, are they? Oh, they're not coming out, are they? And she loses one. There we go. But no, they are not. You're not going to lose those anywhere. So no need to keep them underneath. But yeah, a much nicer, so much nicer. I'm absolutely thrilled with that. I don't think I've done any scoring yet. I don't particularly tend to score on here. So, but let's do it anyway. Let's score in half. Lovely. Bravo. And let's just, I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to see if I can cut. I can. Look at that. 2 card blanks, because I cut it folded. Just brilliant. Really good. Like I say, I wouldn't necessarily be saying, yes, cut, you know, you're not going to cut wadges. This is a paper trimmer. But for my purposes, I don't, you know, I cut single cards when I'm doing cards and projects for blogging, but when I'm doing my mass production of 160 to 200 cards each month, I am going to stick a wadge of DSP through. And yeah, no problems. I'm very happy with it. So you can get this when you join. So you can actually do your entire starter kit. So starter kit is £99. Forgive me, I'm not going to give you the quotes and the numbers on for European, so for joining me in euros, but you can, so the entire bundle, the whole lot of this, so this and the bracelet and the trimmer, I think it's £127 or £226.50, but actually your joining cost is only £99, so you can get the whole lot for £99 instead of retail. Gotta be a winner there, hasn't it? But I do love this. At the time I'm filming, we haven't got a date for when it's going to be out to you. If you don't want to wait, get it now. And I love it. I love that it's huge. I really do love that. Although, to be fair, obviously my cardstock is 12 inches, but I love it just because it's long anyway. And that it's nice. And this, it's for hanging. So many people hang things on pegboards. Mine gets bunged in a drawer. But that's what this is for. So yeah, happy days. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.